Welcome back to Understanding Residential Permit Drawings. We're at video 5, section drawings, and we're going to break this into two different videos, one being building sections and the other being a typical wall section. So we'll get more into the description of each. These are some of the things that you would look for, materials, the assembly details, but we'll get more into those details as we talk about each one individually. So as part of this video, we are going to talk about building sections. So whenever I'm talking about a building section, I'm going to start out by looking at our building section symbol that's going to show up on our floor plan. That, from our symbols video, is this symbol right here. Well, it's very similar to the typical wall section detail, but this symbol is going to cut the entire way across a building. So if I want to look at what this actual building section looks like, I go to drawing 1 on sheet A106. And here's my building section. So again, it gives me a few different nice pieces of information real quickly. It's a very generic, low detail drawing that shows me that I'm going to have a flat ceiling, that I'm going to have an attic space, I'm going to have partition walls. It's going to show me what my overall ceiling height is going to be, what my total roof height is going to be. It's going to show me what my floor height is, the 10 inches there, and it's going to show me the height of my crawl space within there. Real quickly, I can see how the foundation stretches across here, how I'll have a slab there, and I have a floor system tying into that. So it doesn't show me a tremendous amount of information, but since it's at a smaller scale, 1/4 inch equals a foot, for this level of detail, this is about perfect. If I had a set of stairs, typically if I'm doing a project that has stairs, I always cut my building sections through the stairs in both directions so I can see what those stairs look like and how they interact with the floor system. And it's a nice way of showing stair details with balusters and all the requirements for the handrails and things. But since I don't have stairs in this project, I'm not going to show that in the building section. And the same as the elevations, I have all these different elevation heights, and they're starting with this 0 feet 0 inches at the existing floor level demolition, and then being measured plus and minus from there. So in this case, I only have the one building section. That really pretty much wraps it up for what is included in a building section. In the next video, like we had talked about before, in video 5B, we're going to talk about a typical wall section and all the things that are included with that.